I'm just gonna jump right into this video because I think you just wanna know and go on about your day. Uh, a lot of people have been wondering which of this is the best vlogging camera because a lot of people are doing like travel vlogs and going to places and vlogging, and they are wondering if the Insta360 S4 is a better vlogging camera than the DJI Pocket 3. Let me just bring it out. Now, if you are not aware of the Pocket 3, I think it came out this year or last year, probably last year. And I have used this a couple of times just for like, talking and vlogging. And this, I mainly use this for when I'm, if I go on a bicycle ride or whatnot, uh, go into places that require me to see all around me. And one of the things that I'm going to give you right now is an honest feedback as to which one you want if you're going to be vlogging. If you're 100% you do vlogging, you talk to the camera and all that stuff, I'm just going to tell you now straight up, the Pocket 3. There is no, forget all the YouTube videos of people trying to convince you that yes, the Insta360 is a better. No, it's not. This is not a promo. This is just and somebody that owns this product and use them on daily basis. I'm just giving you an honest feedback right now. The Pocket 3 is the best vlogging camera that you can get your hands on if you're somebody that just likes to get this thing and go. Okay. This thing is also a gimbal on its own because it's balanced. So it's balanced and it's ready to go. The video that you get out of this camera, the Pocket 3, is already set to go. So you can make your video and send it straight to doing edits and then you're ready to go. Easy. The Insta360 requires you to go on the Insta360 app, adjust yourself and do, refocus and doing those things. It consumes a lot of time that most vloggers don't want to do. You just want to get your videos right at the camera. Of course, you could turn this thing, you turn left, you turn right. You can pan it towards you and pan it towards what you need to do. And it's very stable as you're walking around. Now, the only time you would need this if, let's say, you're in a car and you're driving, there's snow and whatnot, and you want to see all around you, then you stick this out, just to get a view of everything. Yes. But if you just talk to the camera and, you show the location that you are, maybe you review few food or all that stuff, then this is the best camera. The Pocket 3 is the best camera for you to use. I don't recommend a Insta360 S4 for a vlogger that vlogs and you walk around with holding the camera, facing it to you, facing it to other things. I would never recommend an Insta360 over the Pocket 3. So just wanted to give you guys an honest feedback. Get the Pocket 3 if you're going to be doing vlogging, and that's what you normally do. You can still get the Pocket, you can still get the Insta360 X4, but it's mainly going to be maybe for some action shots, some walking shot. You've seen these people like put this over their head to get like the view of their surrounding and all that stuff. But talking and also the audio quality of the Pocket 3 is way better because it comes with the audio, the Bluetooth audio. Like it comes with one of these. Let me quickly show you guys this right now. So it already comes with a mic that pairs with this with the Bluetooth. As you guys already know, the Insta360 S4 doesn't come with a mic, and the built-in mic on this is not as good as having a dedicated mic, Bluetooth mic, and you can be talking and you can put this down and walk to somewhere that's a little bit far, focus it on you and be talking, and it picks up great audio. So there is no way you should allow anybody, oh, it's timing out. You should allow anybody to convince you that an Insta an Insta360 S4 is a better option or is even close in comparison for vlogging to a Pocket 3.